أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. The word Allah is an Arabic word used for God Almighty. Allah is the personal name of God Almighty. The word Allah has never been used for any being or thing. The names for God Almighty found in all the languages are the attributes or is the way to describe God Almighty in their own languages and are often used in the plural sense. But the word Allah is never used for plural. This is because in Islam, the unity of God Almighty has been emphasized. That is why when there is no exact translation of the word Allah in English, they have maintained the word Allah, which is the original name for God Almighty. In the Holy Quran, there are 101 attributes of God Almighty mentioned there. For example, Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, Malik Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment, Ar-Razak, the provider, so on and so forth. These attributes are invoked in prayers. Also, every Muslim is encouraged to adopt the attribute of God Almighty in his daily life.